Earn $200 daily, not on Fiverr. I just said it. Earn $200 a day, not on Fiverr. And here's the reason why, because there's so much competition on Fiverr right now. For you as a small fish to go on there in a large swimming pool, or let's say the ocean, you're going to get lost and you're not going to have any gigs and you're just going to get overlooked because there are so many people on there already crushing the game. So if you're brand new and you're looking to make some money, it's consistently over and over again, earn $200 a day. Do not go on Fiverr. So yeah, I said it, not on Fiverr. I'm going to share with you a website that you can go out there and you can crush it. And by the way, this is your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family, because I like to know how far my videos are trending. So let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to have you here watching my videos over and over again. So once again, my new subscribers, make sure you turn on that bell notifications. Every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. And if you like entrepreneurial videos, how to make money online in just different ways, how I can share my knowledge with you, then you land on the perfect YouTube channel. So go no further, because this is the right one for you. So again, earn $200 daily, not on Fiverr. And here's the reason why. So many people, especially when you're brand new, if you're a freelancer and you know that you have your skill and you want to go out there, maybe you want to have a little bit of side gig, you want to make some extra money on the side, it's very hard for you to start off on Fiverr, because on Fiverr, again, Fiverr is huge. There's so many people on Fiverr, and the competition, especially with people in the US, people overseas, people in Canada, people all over the world. So you just coming in is trying to fight your way through everybody. So I'm going to share with you a specific website that you can go out there and crush it. But anyways, if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. Just click on it if you're looking for a way to make some passive income and make, $200 to $300 consistently coming in. So earn $200 daily on this specific website. So here it is, right here. It's people per hour, and people per hour, this is like the competition of Fiverr. And here's why. On here, there's not too many people know about this website. So that's why people are coming on here, because number one, there are people that want to get their job done much faster in a short amount of time, and they have to wait a few days. So on here, this website is required it's per hour, so you can get the job done in an hour or less. If it's going to take you some more time, of course, you're going to let the person who give you the job and let them know that, hey, it's going to take me a little bit of time, but it's per hour, and they have loads and lots of different freelancing work available for you. So if you want to be a freelancer, all you got to do is just click on where it says freelance. Once you click on the freelance tab, you can just put your first name, your last name, put your email, what city are you from, or city. Yeah, it says city right now, but of course, if you're in whatever country that you're in, it's going to pop up as a total different thing here. So make sure you click agree to the terms and condition, and once you go here. So I'm going to show you some of the examples of how it works. So if you click on search, you can click on search projects, search for freelancers. So people that are looking for freelancers, right here already, there's loads of different freelancers already popping up. So people are charging like 20 pounds an hour, and they pay in pounds as well. So which is the good thing. So 20 pounds an hour, 8 pounds per hour, 30, 35, $9. So for some of these gigs, especially if you go into the video editing area, you get a little bit more, like $50 per hour, $35. So this can add up, and you could price how much you want to get paid. I come on here and I was searching earlier, and I see people even charging like $75 per hour, $100 per hour. So it all depends of exactly what you want to do. So this is no competition on here. Of course, there's people on here already, but it's not as crowded as Fiverr, because with Fiverr, my goodness, let's be honest here. I've gone on there and I've had people do jobs for me. Yes, it is a great website. I'm not knocking down on Fiverr, but I'm here to help you out. So that way, if you are thinking about going on Fiverr, I would think about going on here, because on here there'll be less competition than Fiverr, because Fiverr is it's so big right now that you as the little guy coming on here is gonna get lost. There's like filmmakers, filmmakers are here, they're charging like 40 pounds. There's like, as I said before, look at this, $75 per hour. There's some higher gigs on here, which I found that people are out there and crushing it. Right? They're actually doing so, like film editing on here as well. The same thing. People are looking, and people, $70 per hour. People that want to get their videos all done. There's people on here that does like ebooks, ebook writing, on all that type of stuff. Is like $30 per hour. These are much more smaller gigs, but you can make money because on here you're getting paid per hour. So you get the job done and you start cranking out jobs. You can bring in, you earn $200 per day just using this specific website. So how it works, you get paid. I know most of them, they pay you through PayPal. You post a project, search for freelancers. These are when people are coming on this specific website. That's how it works. And as you can see that once you get paid, you can cash out at any time that you want. There's no upfront payments, no hidden fees. You can join for free and you can get started right away. So I wanted to share with you this great website that, earn $200, daily, not on Fiverr, because Fiverr is already crowded, as I said multiple times, but I'm just here to help you out so that way you can go out there and you can start crushing your goals and your dreams. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long, but check out my #1 recommendation if you want to start your own business online and you want to get started. My name is Andre, and I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Have a great day. Like, subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.